States around the world invest massively in the detention and deportation of irregular migrants and unrecognized asylum seekers. These investments are steadily increasing in recent years. At the same time, the so-called success rate of states in managing to deport undesired and illegalized migrants is consistently very low. We can therefore assert that states' deportation regimes are colossally failing to achieve their declared goals. In our project that runs in 7 countries, we do not focus so much on changing regulations, policies, or international conventions. We also put aside the perspective of irregular migrants. Instead, we want to understand the practices and motivations of those actors implementing or preventing the process of deportation. The question is, how should we understand the evident discrepancy between the investment in and the results of deportation regimes? There are some possible answers to the question why states invest so much in deportation regimes that do not accomplish their declared goals. First, even when deportation regimes fail to actually remove irregular migrants from the sovereign territory, there are symbolic, rhetoric, and electoral gains to be made by political parties that promotes a tough agenda that is in line with the securitization of migration. Second, there is very little public opposition to investment in deportation regimes. The public at large is either not aware of the existence of detention centers and deportation flights, or is not actively interested in the issue. Finally, and crucially for our project, state agents and civil society actors who implement deportation regimes justify and reconcile deportation policies with their own interests, views, and moralities. In this sense, the implementation of ethically charged deportation policies carried out by committed actors is in line with what Hannah Arendt called the banality of evil.